Hello everybody and welcome to my second Flash tutorial. Last time I showed you how the timeline works, and now I'm going to show you how to tween, how to use the motion tween and stuff. So if we paint something like a square or whatever, doesn't matter what you paint. So I'm going to show you how to use all of those tween settings. So if you take a look at them, we have motion tween, shape tween, and classic tween. If we start off with classic tween, that's the most basic thing you will use. So if you click on your keyframe with your image here, right click and selecting create classic tween, you can see that the keyframe became a little purple, and if we extend it to, let's see, frame 50, F6 to do that, as you can see it's kinda purple and it's got a big arrow pointing to the last frame. So if we click on the last frame and take our selection tool or free transformation tool and moving it up like there or away, doesn't matter, wherever you want. So I'm gonna put it right here. And now if we go back to the first frame, previewing your movie by pressing enter on your keyboard, there you can see it's moving up. Yeah, that's really how you're using the classic tween. You can also resize objects like this. You're taking the free transformation tool over here, and then you just click, hold and drag in the corner of the square and make it bigger or smaller. I'm gonna make it smaller like that. So now if we preview, it's getting smaller, just like we want it. So yeah, that's how it works. Now if we take a look at the shape tween, we're just gonna have to highlight this and delete everything we done. So highlight everything, right click and select remove frames like that, and we're gonna have to make a new, of course, or else we can't do anything. F6 like that. So now if, let's say I'm gonna paint something on my own, let's say I'm gonna make a I don't know, a handmade circle. Okay, that's not a circle. Yeah, that's fine. So yeah, now I have my circle, and now we can actually, if we right click on the keyframe and selecting create shape tween like that, and then we're making a new keyframe around 50 again, F6, you can see that is green this time. And what we can do now is to change the shape of your circle you just made. So if you go to frame 50 and selecting the selection tool, but it's a white mouse this time, and if you click on the corners, as you can see it became green, and if you click on a little square like there, you can see it pops up some circles. This looks kinda advanced, but it's not that advanced. So if we click on this, we can actually drag this up, and you can see how the circle is changing If we do that with some other corners, let's just drag this up like this, this one like this. You can just go on and experiment wherever you want to do. So now our circle just became a really ugly square. So now if we go back to frame 1 and preview it, you see, that's awesome. And that's how the shape tween works. Yep. And now to the last one. If we I don't actually used to have this so much, the motion tween, because if you click here, it makes your frames longer by itself, and it's kind of hard if you want to make some new keyframes, but it works the same way as the classic tween. So if we go to 20 here and press F6 on our keyboard like that, and we can actually do the same things like we did with the classic tween, make it bigger and stuff. But one thing we can't do with the classic tween is that we can make it rotate a couple of times. Let's say 20 times, and I don't know, something like that. We can make it spin like this, woo, really fast. And that's also good if you want to make a wheel for a car or something like that. Yep, like that. And you can change if you want to make it the right way, left way, or whatever you say. Like that, it's perfect. And yeah, you can just change the you can change a lot of things here. So you can just make whatever you want and see how it works out. So yeah, that's everything you need to know about the tweening, or whatever you say. Yep, so see you next time.